One of the really great things about the Potter's Choice glazes is their ability to layer together to form new and really interesting combinations. We'll be showing you a variety of techniques for dipping these to achieve some of these results, but certainly you're going to want to do some testing before you actually dip finished work. The Amico website is a good place to start. For some of these color combinations, there's countless variations on the website of brushed combinations, which will at least give you an idea of some of the color relationships. But ultimately, it might be best to start with some extruded test tiles. You can test different combinations dipped over each other to see where you're going to be before you actually do any finished work. Okay, so for combinations like this, usually you want to keep the overlaps up at the top. As you can see, a lot of these glazes have a tendency to run once they're overlapped. Again, we suggest doing some testing first to make sure you don't ruin your shelves with glaze running off. But we're going to try to do something similar to what we did on the first piece here by pouring glaze on the inside and then dipping just the very top portion. Fill it almost all the way up. I'm going to pour this back out. I'm going to turn the piece as I pour. Get a nice uniform even coat on the inside. And then I'm going to dip the very top, about the top quarter of the piece. Okay, now that our top layer is dried, we're going to go ahead and dip the bottom. Again, make sure you've tested out this combination before you try this on finished work. We're going to go for just an overlap of about 1/4 of an inch, and the same count as before, just in for a 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see we've got a nice overlap that should carry down the side of the piece.